Are you looking for the best foldable quadcopters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best foldable quadcopters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. X-Shop Foldable 1080p Camera Drone. The X-Shop Beginner Drone is perfect for those new to flying drones. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, allowing you to capture clear photos and videos from the sky and share them instantly via real-time FPV on your phone. Designed with beginners in mind, it offers easy controls like 1-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3 speed settings to match your skill level. You also get 2 rechargeable batteries for longer flying sessions. Plus, its lightweight, foldable design means you can take it anywhere without needing FAA registration, making it a convenient and fun gadget for kids and beginners alike. What we like: easy to fly, foldable compact design, beginner-friendly controls, 1080p HD camera, includes 2 batteries. Number 2. ALORELS 1080p FPV Foldable Drone. The ALORELS Mini FPV drone offers a 1080p camera that you can tilt using the app, remote, or manual controls, letting you capture creative shots from different angles. With 2 rechargeable batteries, you get up to 28 minutes of flying time, so you can enjoy longer sessions without needing a break. This drone is easy to fly, featuring safety functions like emergency stop and overcurrent protection, making it great for beginners. It also includes fun features like trajectory flight, gravity control, and 1-key takeoff and landing, so you can control it with ease and have a lot of fun learning to fly. What we like: 1080p tiltable camera, extended flight time, beginner-friendly controls, multiple fun flight modes. Number 3. DJI Neo 2 Foldable 4K Drone. The DJI Neo 2 drone is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry and fly wherever you go. Weighing only 151 grams, it includes protective guards around the propellers for safe transport and worry-free flights. You can launch and land the drone effortlessly using just your palm, which adds convenience whether you're a beginner or experienced flyer. The gesture control lets you operate the drone hands-free, allowing you to capture moments without needing a remote. Plus, with Active Track, the drone smoothly follows your chosen subject, and you can even check the live video feed or control tracking using your Apple Watch for added ease and control. What we like: lightweight and portable, palm takeoff and landing, gesture control operation, Active Track subject tracking, Apple Watch integration. Number 4. Hocany GPS Drone with 4K Camera. The Hocany 4K GPS drone offers advanced GPS technology that keeps your flights stable and secure, perfect for capturing smooth panoramic shots and tracking moving subjects. Its 4K camera delivers sharp, high-quality images with a wide-angle lens and adjustable tilt, letting you frame your shots just right. With powerful brushless motors, the drone resists wind well, so you can fly confidently even outdoors. Plus, features like beginner mode and 1-key takeoff/landing make it easy to operate, even if you're new to drones. This drone combines ease of use with excellent camera and flight control for a great flying experience. What we like: advanced GPS flight control, high-quality 4K camera, wind-resistant brushless motors, beginner-friendly controls. Number 5. TOPBLASTERBOX H11 GPS 4K Camera Drone. The TOPBLASTERBOX H11 drone is perfect for beginners and creators who want clear, high-quality aerial shots. Its 4K camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens lets you take stunning photos and videos from the sky, giving you great flexibility in capturing different angles. The built-in HD screen on the controller shows a live view with no delay, so you can easily see what your drone sees and control it confidently. With GPS technology, the drone hovers steadily and can automatically return to you if the signal is lost or the battery runs low, providing peace of mind during your flights. Plus, the Follow Me mode allows the drone to track your movements, making it ideal for capturing active moments hands-free. What we like: 4K adjustable camera. Built-in HD controller screen. GPS auto return. Follow me tracking mode.